Fair enough. Shoxy, though, he got the early pick off here. Pasha goes down, so that's a nice start for Titan. We're in the third round here.
Pretty interesting change. Not often that we see Shoxy actually go for the AWP. Basically, Titan changing things up, but they're going to flash their way through the smoke, and now it's going to come down to Shoxy. He's going to get caught in the corner, though. Gets a running shot, and Neo gets a second one. Shoxy's making it happen. A third one. Shoxy, the fourth! Shoxy is a god!
When I came to my senses, I lost all hope. Nazi prisoners were used for slave labor or target practice.
Why should we hesitate? Let's shoot this red spy and be done with it.
Shouldn't we call the Gestapo?
It'll take them forever to get here from Reich. Who'll watch this peak till then?
Good point. All right, you red scum. Offer a prayer to your Marx or whoever.
Hey, maybe if you beg, we'll think about killing you quickly.
Betrayed us all, Salazar! Today is a difficult day, Section. But tomorrow, we all win. Not you. Rules of nature! When the sun comes up, with their arms on the line. Fuck you!
Выходить будете? Нет, не имеете права. Я не имею права. Выходить будете? Нет, не имеете права.
And we ain't letting no false shepherd into our flock. Show them what we got planned, boys!
You're the one who said you walked on the moon when you didn't. Calling the kettle black, if I ever thought of it. Saying I misrepresented myself. Away from me. You're a coward and a liar and a thief. Rules of nature! When the sun comes up, with their arms on the line.
Matchen. Var idiota.
Skojar.
Hela jävla tiden.
Yeah!
Han bara, why? Gå långt, idiota. Och så...
Suka idiota, dina... Trusted you. I thought I could too. So why in bloody hell does Makarov know you?